Welcome to No Fear Cooking. I'm Magda and I'm going to share a good recipe that we learned when we are in Italy, in Rome, outside Rome, and it's very easy to use. And also not just the recipe, you'll see it in a second. We'll go right into it's about 10 minutes prep, even less than that. And I was trying to show you if you have everything ready, you are going to go with no problem into the recipe. Also, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing with friends. And let's go with the recipe. Enjoy it. I didn't prepare anything ahead. I want you to see everything I'm going to use for a minute, and then I'll get ready. And I'll come back in about, it'll take me 5 minutes. We're going to need some ham. And I buy it a piece like that. It's Virginia ham. I have the chicken here. I'll open it. I need to get ready my 2 onions, a can of tomatoes, so I'm going to open it, or you can use real tomatoes. It's a little bit expensive in January to use them, but it's okay. I'm going to get some pepper, salt ready, and I'm going to need some wine for the chicken. I might even do a little bit pasta or a little bit of, not risotto, what is orzo. I might cook a little bit of that. And with this, let me show you the chicken I'm going to use. I'm going to dry it, get it ready. It's chicken thighs today. And I'm coming back again. I'm going to take care of them. If it's a little bit fat on it, I'll take a little bit off. And I do like to use the chicken thighs a lot because they're really tender and delicious. So I'm going to show you, once I have everything ready, how quick the recipe goes. We'll see you in about 5 minutes. We are having the pan ready. I got the chicken ready. The chicken thighs are ready for this chicken Rome style from Italy. We had it a long time ago, and that is going to be a delicious meal. And I have the chicken. Okay, let me go and have it on the flour both sides. And I like to go with the pretty side first down for about 3 minutes till it gets colored. Just about 3 tablespoons of butter we need. And after that, we are going to add the shallots. I have 2 nice shallots, and I'm going to cut them very, very small. This is good, it's on medium. If you go on the regular stove, it's also on the medium till it get a good color. I just like to put them on the electric skillet because it's easier to show how we start our great recipe for the family tonight. That's our meal for tonight, and I have, these are 3 pounds of the chicken thighs, and the secret is they are moist, they are very good to warm up again, and it's a delicious meal to be put together in about 40 minutes all together once you have everything ready. So I'm coming back in 5 minutes with the rest of the recipe. All right, 5 minutes went by, and let's turn the chicken. It's got a very good color. That's a good taste to our chicken and to the whole meal. Italian meals are wonderful and pretty quick to make if you have everything ready. And now I'm going to add, oh, don't forget to salt and pepper the chicken. I put for all this chicken about 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 of pepper. I'm going to add another teaspoon of butter. And now I'm going to add the shallots. They're all nice small cut, and I'm going to go in between them, and we'll cook everything together for another 5 minutes. And after that, and only after that, we are going to add half a cup of white wine. It's going to evaporate while we are cooking it, and it's going to be delicious taste too. I'm going to get the ham ready meanwhile, and we are coming back in 5 minutes. Before I'm going to take care of the chicken, I want to just show you I did the ham. Juliet style, very thin. So this was a little bit too thick, cut it again, and then just slice it like this. They are very nice slices. I'm coming back to the chicken now. It's on medium with the onions on. They are just about done. 5 minutes again. Altogether it's 10 minutes already. And now I'm going to pour the wine on top or around. And I'm going to leave it for about 3 minutes till the wine evaporates. And the smell is absolutely amazing. Very good smell. The salt and pepper I think is going to be enough. You can add a little bit more before you move to the next step. I'll taste it and I'm sure it's going to tell you if you need more salt or pepper. But look at these nice bubbles here. All that love that we put in. You have young ones, please let them help you. It's a present for life. I always say that because otherwise they will not know how to be in the kitchen, what to do. And it's easier to learn from your parents if it's possible, grandparents, friends. So it's about 2 to 3 minutes the most to evaporate the wine. And then I'm going to be ready to throw in the ham and the tomatoes. So I'll come back in 1 minute. All right, 3 minutes went by. The wine is almost all gone. Let's add, if you like fresh tomatoes, you may do that. About 4 of them. If not, these tomatoes are wonderful. And on top of the tomato, let's put in the ham. Could you imagine the taste of it for tonight's supper? Everyone will come in and they'll be so happy with the wonderful taste, smell, everything, color also. So now I'm going to cover it and cook everything very slow for about 30 minutes. I'm going to add, I have rosemary in my garden, so it's so nice. I'm going to add just one long one. Before I forget, on the ham, I took the skin off. It's a little bit hard, so just take it off. We'll come back in 20 minutes when everything is almost done. And here we are ready with our wonderful chicken Roman style. And the flavor and the smell, and I had this many times so I can say it's delicious. So please give it a try. It's absolutely easy to do. I did a little bit pasta just because if you have kids or something, a little bit more fussy than just to have a slice of bread with it. I'm going to have a homemade bread, a small slice with that. I'm going to put it here. And I am going to try it right now. I'm going to have a little bit, I have homemade bread, so that's also easy to do. I'm just going to taste on the side, a slice of bread. Delicious. The wine gave some special taste to it, but this also is the ham that is going to give you a very specific taste to your chicken thighs, or you can use the whole chicken. If you use a whole chicken, you have to cut a little bit, you can have to cook it a little bit longer, maybe close to an hour. You can also look at this, delicious. I'm going to turn it around, Nathaniel, so you can take a very good close pictures. The sauce is delicious. It's just perfect for a little bit evening with everyone together. And with this, I'm going to say, manja manja, poftă bună, enjoy it. Try the recipe and leave me a note how you like it. We'll see you next time.